Okay, now I'm setting up another board here, the NRF52840DK, and preparing to run some other demonstrations using Zephyr and the NRF52 microcontroller. So let's see if we can connect it with a J-Link. Let's start out with choose 4. Let's start with running it. And we flash the device. So what this program does is there are 4 buttons in this area, and there are 4 LEDs in this area, and each button has a corresponding LED, and you can press one down and then one more and then one more. You can press them all down. Be tricky, but you can, and you know, in any combination or sequence. So let's take a look at the source code. So first of all, there's a bunch of channels for buttons and LEDs, and a bunch of connecting up to do of those channels and the hardware on the board, which we identify using this integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are buttons, 4, 5, 6, 7 are LEDs. Then we have one piece of code that runs forever, which is foo, and what it tries to do is to sync this composite event called AnyButton, and AnyButton is a combination of a number of different events again. You have a choose between press 1, press 2, and press 3, and those 4 events, of course, correspond to the 4 button channels we have. So press takes care of the first button, and press 1 the second, and press 2 the third, and press 3 the fourth. So let's look at those. Those are up here. They are very similar to each other, of course. So if we look at press, it's a receive on the button channel, and when that happens, there's a wrapped function which runs upon a successful synchronization of this receive, and so when that runs, you send a message to the LED channel. It's very similar in functionality to button Blinky, only that we now have 4 buttons that you can control completely independently of each other through this choose statement. Thank you. That was all I was going to demonstrate for this example.